Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY your crochets at the comfort of your home without spending much money. So this hair was inspired by Delia's Empire, and I saw this video on her channel. I was like, that's really good. She did a great job on that hair, and I was like, I'm going to try it, but I twisted it in my own way. They are not the same curls. So if you don't know her, I'm going to link the video in my description box so you can go check her out and tell her I sent you. So without any further ado, I want us to jump right into this video.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me permite.
So I'm going to go ahead and use this hair, and this hair is Superstar, and is different from Expression, and I ended up using only 2 packs. So after cutting it, I'm going to go ahead and pull it just to give me that natural look on the tips. So, and after that, I'm just going to go ahead and start showing you how I did it.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind, like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came in
So after doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the curls. And I did 2 different curls. One was telephone curls, and while the other one I used hair rollers to achieve the curls.
They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
So guys, this is the final outcome. I love how it turned out. You know, the curls, they look amazing, they look gorgeous, you know, and stunning. And I really enjoyed filming this video. So as you can see, both curls came out really nice. So you can actually use this for crochet. You can use it for, you know, any wig of your choice. And the one by the left, this one I'm touching right now, you can use it for crochet, you can use it for wig, you can use it on someone's hair. That's how amazing they are. So guys, let me know your favorite, let me know which one you like most. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and tap on that notification bell. In that way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me permite. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri. Jiri bamo kiri kiri. Jiri bamo kiri kiri. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri. Jiri bamo kiri kiri. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri. Oh kiri kiri. Alo jikota rande na one eke one. Oba ranke jikota rande na one akwafue. Umbilical neke wa. Ihunanya. Nkuwa.